this ladder diagram, we started with the toggle button, which is the red button, which stays put when you click it, and it detects when the sensor is not turned on, the signal will go on, and the trail or the band will be activated. Then, at the same time, the same toggle button will turn on the drilling machine, and the tag number 1, which is an imaginary bobina coil. Also, when the sensor of the middle is on, and these two are not on, the first imaginary coil will be activated, and the sensor, and when it detects that it is not, that the drilling machine is not like down on the piece of machine, or the piece of engine that it's going to like perforate, the drilling machine will go down and do a hole in it. Then when the sensor is activated, when the drilling machine reaches the limit of when making the hole, the second imaginary coil will be activated, and the third one, it will not be activated, so the signal will pass. When the second one is activated, the sensor of behind is going to be activated, and that obviously the up sensor will not be activated, so the drilling machine will go up again, and it will cause it to activate the second imaginary coil again, and then the third one in a chain reaction. And when the third one's activated and the sensor of height that's up goes through, the drilling machine will go ahead and make and align in the middle to make the second hole. It doesn't make it, but it aligns with the engine. Also, then at this point, it detects that the drilling machine is in the middle, ready to make the second hole. So the fourth imaginary coil will be activated, and the drilling machine will go down and make the hole on the middle of the engine. When it gets to the very, very bottom, after drilling the engine, another sensor will be activated, and then another sensor, which is the one in the middle and the one of the bottom, will be activated, causing it to the fifth imaginary coil to become activated. This will cause the drilling machine, to go up, since it's not gonna be up, and this command right here sends a signal that when it's not up, it should go up, so it goes up, and when it detects that it is on the center and it's up, and these three, which is the 8th and 7th imaginary coils, so they don't get together and the functions mislead, and the sensor is not to the left to make the third hole, the drilling machine will go ahead and be aligned to make the third hole in the engine. Almost at the end, the sensor, when the sensor that it's aligned with the left is on, the 6th imaginary coil will be activated, and the engine will go down, the drilling machine will go down and make the third hole, as we did the past 2 times, and this will cause it to be like in the bottom of the very, very left. And when it is on the bottom, on the very, very left and on the very, very bottom, the 7th imaginary coil will be activated, and it will make the drilling machine go back up. And when this happens, the final sensor, the band will go on again, and the final sensor will help us, like when it reaches the very, very end of the trail, the milling machine, the very drilling machine, will go back to its original place. Thank you.